Okay. This is kind of interesting. So I'll approach it from over here. Okay. So here we are. It just says Springs here. I've been by this a bunch. I don't remember the sign being here, but it probably was. Just looks like a sort of like an art installation that somebody did. Just thought it was a bunch of mattress springs, but there's a little more to it. It's got these strange strips. Here's some material for some feature pieces. They have I opened one of these up. It's got some washers in there, so they rattle around a little. Kind of cool. There's some other. I think this is from I'm pretty positive this is from a bus, from a VW bus. It's actually pretty valuable, depending on how deep that rust goes. I think these are pieces that got washed out by the wash. Got knocked over by the wash. I should come fix this. This is kind of cool. There's some embedded glass there. So I came across this art installation when I was heading towards Arizona. I was going through 29 Palms, heading towards Amboy Road, and was going to go through Sheephole Pass when I came across this. I think this is on Godwin Road, over by the church. But I have a theory when it comes to these art installations. I think when people get out to the desert and they just see the wide open area, they just get inspired. And ever since the first time I went to Wonder Valley, I remember seeing art installations right off the 62. And even if you're driving on the 15 on your way to Vegas, you see some stuff heading north. I wonder what it is about the desert that inspires people. I wonder if it's the wide open area. And this is just a smaller installation. It looks like some people just threw together a bunch of stuff they found. It's pretty interesting though. I'm glad I stopped. I hope they add on to it. Maybe I'll add on to it. Who knows?